So on pole, yan po. Nag-qualifying po sila nung kahapon and nag-race 1. So this will be their race 2. Yan po ang kanilang so on pole we have Fedris Conejos. Second is Rajan Larita. Third is their president Aki Garcia. Fourth is Alberto Soriano. Fifth is Alberto Buitre. Sixth is Alejo Alcantara. Seventh, Miguel Peralta. Eighth is Urville June Canuel. Ninth is Rowell Jomacchio. 10th, Dexter Pangilinan. 11th, Scheider Garcia. 12th on the grid, Reynald Jan Umali. 13th, John Edward Tolentino. 14th, Neil Alberto Pareño. 15th, Noel Santa Cruz Bobis. And then back of the grid, but actually is a guest, but he is a John Christian Cascaro. Yan, so we have 16 riders from CBR V4 Pinas. This is the IRCRA CBR V4 Pinas Anniversary Club Race. This is race 2. Ito po mga ito is just having fun. We're trying to teach them, guide them if they want to go to the next level. So we sponsor this group to be able to compete here at the nationals. They follow the safety rules, no? And basically, it's more of fun for these guys. Di po sila national championship, but for them, this is important because this October, they are celebrating their anniversary, no? So the happy anniversary, CBR B4 Pinas. And what a way to celebrate their anniversary by having a club race. So again, these are CBR 150 club. So, iyan yung mga sinasabi nila na walking the talk, di ba? Mahilig sila sa sports bike. They're doing track days and now they are racing here as a nationals. So, good job, gentlemen. Have a safe race and have fun. So, again, they're out for their sighting lap and they will take on their grid position. We're waiting for the start of the CBR IRCRA CBR V4 Pinas anniversary race. What a mouthful, but we're happy to host these guys doing their anniversary club race. So these are all beginners para po sa mga enthusiasts, sa mga fans, no? Hindi po kailangan kayo ay may big team, hindi po kailangan kayo ay full racers. Kung gusto niyo po mag-umpisa, pwede po. Meron po tayong mga club racers. At ito po, exception sila kasi isa silang club nag-prepare po. Nakita niyo po, mga nakasuit sila. No, they're all having fun. They want to look good. And most importantly, they want to have fun. So congratulations, gentlemen, the 16 riders, for completing the 2 races of the IRCRA CBR Anniversary Club Race. Yan. There you go. All of them proudly wearing our NAMSA Ostra stickers because national race po ang kanilang sinalihan. So they will cherish this experience and hopefully po next year babalik sila sa atin to make it an annual club anniversary race for this CBR V4 Pinas riders. Diba? All red, oh. Beijing Honda Philippines. So dito po lahat Honda CBR 150R sponsored by Inside Racing and CRA. So kung magkaka-dream cup po kayo, ganito ang itsura sa grid. We have 16 riders, no? 16 riders, all beginners, all enthusiasts. All are having fun. Okay, warm up pa lang po ito. Warm up. So, ito po mga beginner riders. And so, ang rules po nila, dapat club member lang, no? And then, we implemented basic safety rules for the tracks. So, no side mirrors, double D helmets, full suit, tape headlights. Yan po ang kanilang track day lang po. Track day, they are track day riders. And today, after this weekend, naging bona fide circuit racers na rin po sila. So again, this is a club race by the group. This is an anniversary race. Nag-race 1 na po sila kahapon. And today, this race 2, they will be combining the results to get the anniversary club race champion. Again, this is supported by Inside Racing Nation and Claveria Riding Academy. Estudyante po lahat ito ng Claveria Riding Academy. So next year, we hope to support more clubs like this. No? Pag mahilig po kayo sa track, sa racing, just approach us or CRA and maybe we can organize an event like this also for you next year. But please do contact us early because limited lang po ang ating race slots. Ito po, 6 laps po ang ating race for this club race. 6 laps. All right. Yes, bakit Okay. 16 Honda CBR version 4 riders exclusive club race, anniversary race, 6 laps. Mga beginner po ito, talagang beginner. Here we go. So, pasensya na kung di ko sila makilala. Oh! See, mukhang yung isa na sobrahan ng release ng clutch. That's bike number 55, Aki Garcia, their president. That's bike number 14, Neil Albert Penerio. So, whoa, what a wild start. Again, like I said, these are all beginner riders. Scheduled for 6 laps. So kung meron po kayong mga club, mga sport bike club, please approach us, D69 or CRA, and next year maybe we can organize something similar for you. So we are happy to have the CBR V4 Pinas Club. Oh, yan na po, on the inside, may isang rider. Kita mo naman, mga beginner lang yan. That's Cascaro. Mukhang na-inspired nila Kerwin Chang at ni Jake. Mukhang na-inspired ni Jacob Sablaya at ni Alfonsi kanina. So, siyempre, ang pinapanood nila kanila si Alfonsi at si Jacob Sablaya. Mga nilang mga CBR riders. Yan. So, ito, mga fans to definitely nung dalawa. Okay, your leader, Fredris Conejos, followed by Rejan Larita. Then Cascaro, who's already in 3rd place, followed by Soriano. Then Garcia. Then followed by June Canuel. And so on. Those again, 16 riders po sila. So in the lead is Fredris Conejos. Tignan po natin kung makukuha sa lead itong bike number 11. Ito po si Cascaro. He is the fastest rider of the group. Kaya fun race lang po ito. Kaya po ang ginawa ng group, payag naman siya. He started from the back of the pack. Yan. So pwede pa rin siya sumali. But of course, since he is more skilled, more advanced, so nasa likod po siya. Para po manalo man siya, hindi madali. He has to pass all those 15 riders in front of him. And so far, he managed to pass 12 of them na pang-third na siya. So he only has these 2 riders in front to catch if he wants to win this race. Yan po, yan, beginner rider lang po yan, of course, with the help and tutelage of their master coach, Fritzy Claveria. Fritzy Claveria po is responsible for teaching all these 16 riders. I think they had 3 track sessions already for the year, and this is their culminating activity. After 3 track days and coaching and learning, the culmination of them is this Club 2 races. And based on yesterday's successful race 1 na walang masyadong incident, everybody having time, is a testament of CRA's teaching method, no? Kita nyo naman po, they are all having fun, and they're not yet so fast, but you can see the potential, the basics they know na. And this allows them to enjoy their CBRs more on the track by being able to participate in this kind of events. Oh, Cascaro is now up to 2nd place. So, isang rider na lang hahabulin niya. So, he is 4.5 seconds behind. So, siguro, this leader, si Fredris Conejos, ito ang pinakamagaling na estudyante ni Fritzy because he's able to be the fastest. Yan po. Cascaro in 2nd. 3rd, is number 24, Rehan Larita. Yan naman po, nagpagawa pa sila ng kanilang mga custom racing suit. Kasi sabi nila, we want to look good, look for more professional. So yan po ang maganda, no? This type of riders, we want to be in our racing. Kasi po, racing, it's fun. So if you're not as fast, if you look good, masarap na rin. Enjoy na rin po kayo, both also sa mga nanonood, because it's nice to watch good-looking bikes and good-looking riders on track. Yan na si Cascaro. Nasa buntot na po ni Conejos. Mukhang Cascaro he is actually 2 seconds faster than Conejos and the rest of the group. So with 3 laps to go, he's about to lead the race. So sport naman ng CBRB4 Pinas. No, again, this is all fun. And that's why even if Conejos is faster than the group, inalaw po siyang mag-race. Pero look at bike number 54. Hindi talagang totally beginner. Only had, I think, 3 track day sessions with Coach Fritzy Claveria. Pero tingnan naman po, hindi na po siya, he looks confident on the track. So, with many club races like this and track days, I think 3 or 4 of these gentlemen might move up to national racing. So, why not? So, hindi lang po mga bata sa Youth Cup ang aming tinutulungan to make their racing dreams come true. Pati yung mga hindi na masyadong bata. So, itong mga CBR V4 Pinas Club Race is an example na we can support also those who are not so young riders to fulfill their racing dreams. Yan, nakuha na yata ni Cascaro. So Cascaro is now in the lead while overtaking back markers. Okay, last lap. Cascaro leading. Ayan medyo na-overlap niya. Followed by Fredris Conejos. And then Rejan Larita. Followed by Aki Garcia. And then Albert Soriano. Yan. Congratulations, gentlemen. You are now real racers, no? And we hope you join racing beyond your club race events, no? Sa mga nag-enjoy po sa inyo ngayon, sa mga nanonood, again, possible po na magkaroon kayo ng race experience kahit po wala kayong team. So, if you have clubs who want this kind of experience, talk to us for next year. Let's see if we can do something for you. Checkered flag, that's for Cascasero. Not Cascasero, Cascaro. Mabilis kasi kaya Cascasero tuloy. No, it's John Christian Cascaro. Yan. All right. Congratulations, Honda CBRB4 Pinas, for completing a spectacular race weekend for your club. So we're just finishing the results, waiting all 16 riders to take the checkered flag. He is John Christian Cascaro, who will make his victory lap. Okay, here's your results. Your winner, John Christian Cascaro. Second, Fredris Conejos. Third, Rejan Larita. Fourth place, Aki Garcia, their president. Thank you, Sir Aki. And palapakan niyo po mga members ng inyong president for this event. Fifth is Albert Soriano, followed by Alejo Alcantara. Seventh is Albi Buitre. 8th is Miguel Peralta. 9th is Shader Garcia. 10th, Urville June Canwell. 11th is Reynald Jan Umali. 12th is Dexter Pangilinan. 13th is Roel Jomacchio. 14th, John Edward Tolentino. 15th is Noel Santa Cruz. And 16th is Neil Arbet Pañero. Of course, all of them using Honda CBR 150R version 4. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat.